by special request, we're putting up a couple fabrics so that they can view them. And we're tying it in with tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, Thursday night, I've got a YouTube that I'm doing, and it's on stripes. And they have to be stripes that are on both sides. It's a top, it's by Armani, and it's gorgeous. So I'm putting up some stripes so that you can choose from them, and they're just really beautiful. Navy and white. This has stretch in both directions. This is 100% cotton. This is the same fabric. These are all from Theory. Same fabric, different color. Now your red and white, again, stretch in both directions. 100% cotton. Isn't that beautiful? This one is killer. This is the one I decided to use. I just love it. I mean, feel that fabric. I know, you can't feel it, but it's amazing. It is 100% cotton, has stretch in both directions. And anytime you're using a fabric like this that has that much stretch, you'll want to either go down a size or be careful of the size you're using, because it does have such great stretch to it. It's very beautiful. And then this is just the opposite. It has stretch in both directions, but just not a lot of stretch, so just used the same size. Beautiful stripe again. It's a gray and a black. This is a cotton poly, mostly cotton, but it's got a little bit of poly. Then we go to these panel prints, and this is what y'all are looking for. They're all over. They're just stunning. I have some at the store. Again, these are from Theory. So notice when you look at these, you could completely focus this on the front and leave this like it is, or you could, you'd need 2 panels to do that, or you could break it up and piece it all over the place. They're just fun, and they're beautiful. So they're 25 inches is the panel, 25 times the 60. And they're priced per panel, not by yard, so just be careful of that. And then this one, again, is beautiful. Now this is actually a square. This is 50 inches, and it's sold by the panel. So it's 50 inches by 50 inches. It is a square. I'm sorry, this is a 100% cotton, and this is 100% cotton. They're just beautiful. And so they're perfect right now for what we're doing. The 4222 has a cape in there with it, and it's just perfect for that. It's absolutely gorgeous, and they're just so popular for spring. I've tried to been warning you. You know what, if I go back, this actually has a little tiny bit of poly, and so does this one. So this is a cotton poly, a little bit of poly in both of these, 100% cotton poly, and these are both 100% cotton. Sorry about that. So they're just great. Have fun sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.